Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I wanted to show you one interesting reward scheme that has been launched long time back by Income Tax Department, but not many people are aware of it. So where Income Tax Department will reward people who provides them information about any transactions or any person who is not paying the income tax, that is reporting any black money and other things. So we will look at into those two informants reward schemes. The first one is called Benami Transactions Informants Reward Scheme. So this transactions reward scheme was launched in 2018 and is been introduced for regulating grant and payment of rewards to a person who is an informant under the scheme. A person can get a reward up to rupees 1 crore for giving specific information of Benami property. So identity of the informant shall be kept confidential. So as per the prohibition of Benami Property Transaction Act as amended by Benami Transactions Amended Act 2016, any property acquired by a person in the name of a Benamidar other than his close family members or fiduciary capacity is liable to be attached and subsequently confiscated, and all persons involved in such Benami transactions are liable to be prosecuted, which carries a rigorous imprisonment for a term up to 7 years. So in this scheme, they have detailed all the information. So when reward may be granted. So reward may be granted on fulfillment of the following condition. The informant has given specific information of Benami property in the prescribed format in Annex A and obtain informant code under the scheme, provided assistance required pursuant to such information. So final reward can be granted on fulfillment of the following condition. So the informant has given specific information on Benami property, providing the assistance required. So most of these rewards are used by spouses, relatives, and even siblings who come across such tax evasion, and they report it to Income Tax Department. So now if you look at Income Tax Informants Reward Scheme 2018, there's another scheme. So under this scheme you can see various other rules and regulations. So just in the introduction, if I just read it out, this gives a person can get up to a reward up to rupees 5 crore by giving specific information about evasion of income tax on income and assets in India and abroad. So this scheme shall regulate the grant and payment of reward to informants in cases where information is received by a JDIT from the informant on or after the date of issue of the scheme that leads to a detection of substantial tax evasion under the provisions of Income Tax Act and or the Black Money Act. This scheme shall not be applicable to informant regarding recovery of irrecoverable taxes, as the Central Board of Direct Taxes has issued separate guidelines for the same. So this is the entire notification. So such a scheme exists where you can report whether it is Benami transactions or if it is any tax evasion. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.